Hi, my name is Stephen McGee and I'm the author of Electrical Forensics, and I'm here to review some electrical forensics work that we've just done on this pink track phone. So we look at it, it's actually a Susan G. Komen breast cancer cell phone, hence the reason why the phone is pink. And Susan G. Komen is a charity in the USA that is researching breast cancer. So they've teamed up with TrackPhone, they're now marketing this phone to people. And you'll notice that this is the latest phone. It's an October 1st, 2015 model from TrackPhone, and here is that phone. So we've had the phone on a 2-hour phone call. So the first hour was spent facing this way, the second hour was spent facing this way, and on top of the phone for each of those hours was this tub of eggs. So these eggs have been irradiated by this phone on a 2-hour phone call. And we're going to take a little look at them. So what's actually happened is they've filled up with clots. So you see the slime that is in here. So the whole solution looks like boogers. So that's what 2 hours of cell phone irradiation did to this solution. It was very free-flowing when I mixed it before the 2 hours, but now it's just filled with clots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these clots on the plate so you can see them. And what you'll notice is there's a lot of clear patches in the clots, and they're all binding together into one big clot. So the fluid's gone very stringy, and that's what 2 hours of irradiation did to the solution. Some of it's got more structure than others, and there's very definite lumps inside the solution that weren't there when we mixed it at the start. So what I'm digging out is like snot. It's like somebody had a very big sneeze into this solution, who had a heavy cold, and filled it full of these clots. And they're quite extensive, they're right throughout the whole solution. So I've actually also done this test with the phone in a frying pan, and the clotting effect was much more pronounced, and what actually happened was the whole back of the tub had a very pronounced clot stuck to the surface of the tub. So it appears that when you do it in a frying pan, it's actually much more severe. But there you go, that's what we found with irradiating the eggs for 2 hours with the Susan G. Komen cell phone, is that we got all these clots appearing in the solution. I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. So we've got a big plate full of slime with very definite clots. Actually looks like Swiss cheese. You can see there's a very big lump right there. It's not an air bubble, it's an actual clot right there. So that must have been possibly a hot spot of radiation, and it's formed into a much bigger clot compared to the rest. So that's what happens when you irradiate a phone and an egg together. You end up with this very strange formed egg that is filled with clots. So that's the follow-up on our 2 hours of irradiation of an egg by the Susan G. Komen track phone. And you can buy this phone in shops right now. you want to find out more information on this subject, you can find it in electrical forensics. I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and I wish you the very best of health. Thank you.